Alright, so here is the best way on how to enable secure boot on Lenovo laptop. So it's very simple. What you need to do, first up, you need to enter BIOS. How you can do that is just shut down the laptop and turn it on and then press F2 on your keyboard. And if F2 doesn't work, you just need to press F10 plus F2 or use the Novo button, that small pin holding your power. Once you do that, you gotta set up boot mode and to UEFI. Okay, what you need to do is just go to boot tab and then change boot mode to UEFI, and then secure boot will not work in legacy mode. Obviously, you first need to disable legacy mode, find legacy support / legacy boot, and then set it to disabled. And after that, just enable secure boot, go to security tab, open secure boot, and then set up secure boot to enabled, choose standard / default keys if asked, and then save and exit. Press F10 and then select yes. Laptop will restart and you gotta check your secure boot in Windows. Yeah, you just gotta check secure boot in Windows. Just press Windows plus R and then MSINFO32 and then enter, and then check secure boot state and it will be on, and then BIOS mode it will be UEFI. So yeah, this is it. I hope this truly helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.